Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Cecilia Aguiar-Curry, and I represent the 4th District, which includes all of Yolo County and, of course, the prestigious University of California, Davis. It is truly an honor to join the department today to recognize Dr. Frank Zalom for his distinguished career, years of leadership and mentorship, and incredible contributions at the local, state, and federal levels in the fields of entomology and integrated pest management. Dr. Zalom, you've worked and collaborated with the state of California for longer than I have. Your career is impressive and certainly to be commended. We are very grateful that you chose to call this region your home and that you have devoted your time and energy to researching safe, effective, and sustainable pest management practices for some of California's most important crops. Your research has a real impact on both urban and agricultural communities, like mine, who depend on your understanding and innovations in pest management to keep our homes, our communities, and our livelihoods thriving. Thank you for your service and for continuing to work in this space as Distinguished Professor Emeritus. Congratulations.